Hi guys, greetings to you all and welcome back to our channel. It's Authentic Cryptos right here. In this particular video, I will be showing you guys step-by-step guide on how to withdraw your earnings in the Sui Bison project. Okay, so for those of you guys that don't really know, Sui Bison is a crowdfunding project under the Sui blockchain ecosystem. All right, so we did 1 month anniversary yesterday, which is 3rd of January 2024. This project was installed on 3rd of December 2024. So we did 1 month anniversary yesterday, 3rd of January 2025. Okay, so I'll be walking you guys through step-by-step guide on how to withdraw your earnings right in this project, which is this available earnings right here. And for those of you guys that has not joined us on this project, I don't really know what you're waiting for, but if I'm to be honest with you guys, I would advise you to get started immediately after watching this video. I'm going to be leaving the link to this project in the description section and comment section of this video. All right, so all you have to do is just to follow the link and click on start button. Automatically you will get your own dashboard like this. Okay, so we don't really do much right here. Like I said earlier, this is a crowdfunding project, so all you have to do is once you go on it and get started, then you deposit, thereby staking and activating your account. So with as little as 1 Sui. So 1 Sui right now is around $5.2 or thereabouts as at the time of making this video. Okay, so the earlier you join, the better for you. When we join with our own, I joined with 1 Sui, and if you take a look at my dashboard right here, you can see what I currently have. So when I joined with 1 Sui. As at that time it was $4.1, and if you take a look at my dashboard, you can see that I have up to 8 point something USDT right here, which is almost times 2 plus of what I joined with. All right, so the earlier you join, the better for you. Okay, so you hop on it immediately after watching this video with as little as 1 Sui, 5 point something USDT, then build your team and start accumulating your earnings right here. Okay, so without no much further ado, let's dive straight into the terms of this particular video. So this is how to withdraw your funds right here, and before I forget, the minimum amount to withdraw is still 1 Sui. Okay, minimum amount to withdraw is still 1 Sui. So once you check your dashboard and you see 1 Sui right here, as little as 1 Sui, you are good to withdraw. So you guys can see I have 2 point something Sui right here. Okay, so this is how to go about it. You click on withdraw button right here under earnings available, and you will see withdraw earnings. All your earnings will be automatically withdrawn to the address you enter. Minimum withdrawal 1 Sui. Like I said earlier, kindly input a decentralized wallet like Sui wallet or Trust wallet. All right, so they're advising us to make use of a decentralized wallet, which is a non-custodian wallet, either from your Trust wallet, Sui wallet, or Token Pocket, anyone. But I think I'm going to be making use of my Bybit, right? So but this is just their advice. So you click on withdraw right here, you will see what you have to do. You just have to copy your Sui wallet address, paste it right here, and proceed. Okay, so without no much further ado, let me dive straight into my Bybit and get my withdrawal and get my Sui wallet address. Okay, so let me quickly do that. Okay guys, already in my Bybit exchange. I think I'm going to be making use of this right away. That was the reason why I'm withdrawing to my exchange. If not, I'll just withdraw to my non-custodian and hold it there. Okay, so I'm already in my Bybit. Come to asset right here. This is how to get your address, should in case you want to withdraw here as well. So you hit on deposit, crypto, then you search for Sui. You type SUI, you choose Sui right here. Then you can see your Sui wallet address. Okay, so as simple as that. You click on this copy button right here. I've already copied my Sui wallet address. Then we'll head back to the Telegram bots and proceed with the operation. Alright, so after you've successfully copied your address from any wallet, either your non-custodian or exchange anywhere, then you hop in back right here, tap on this withdraw earnings and put the address you copied, and you will receive your tokens in less than a minute. So after you've put the address, you hit on withdraw ASAP, and you will see the timer countdown right here. We have 3 minutes few seconds going. Let's just wait for it, and you will see when it is successful. All right, so they are just processing our withdrawals. All right, so let's wait for them to get it on. Alright guys, before the countdown elapses, I've already gotten a notification that our withdrawal has already been initiated. So we just have to go back and check if we've already received our coins. All right, so this is our dashboard right here, and you can see that the amount of staking that I have already has already been increased from 8 point something to 11 point something. So for those of you guys that already know how the withdrawal works, your withdrawal is being splitted into 3 parts. Okay, 60% goes to your wallet, then 20% goes right here, the remaining 20% goes to the SBT token. So you check your SBT token right here, you can see the amount of SBT tokens that I have right here. Okay, so and if you take a look at my available earnings right here, you can see that I don't really have anything here again. So let's head straight to our Bybit and see if we've received our earnings there. Okay, so let's quickly do that and see if our withdrawal has landed. Let's know if our cash out don't drop. So let me just open my Bybit and we'll see what we'll have right there. Okay, and boom guys, you all can see that my funds has already increased even without heading into the my wallets. I have 1 point something dollars initially, and now I can see 14 point something. Okay, so I just have to click on assets right here. Let me see where it's coming from, and you see funding right here. You click on funding and you can see 2.57 Sui. So this is it. It has already landed in our wallet and we're good to go. All right, so you guys can see that this particular project is very, very amazing, and it's not something that anybody should miss out on. All right, so if you know you have not started, get started immediately. Deposit, stake, and start accumulating on a daily basis. Right, so that is just that in this video, how to process your withdrawal and everything. All right, so thank you guys for watching, and take action immediately after watching. So till I come your way next time, keep winning, stay safe, and bye for now.